Welcome all of you. In this video lecture, we will understand about hemodialysis. See, human beings are provided with two kidneys, and some can survive, or some people can survive with only one kidney if the other one gets failed due to accident, injury, or disease. But he must undergo some medicines in order to combat the nitrogenous waste producing inside his body. But if both the kidneys of a person gets damaged, then there are only two options. The first option is hemodialysis and the second option is surgery. Hemodialysis is a process in which the blood from the body of the patient is taken out and the nitrogenous waste from that blood is extracted. After that, the purified blood is uh, allowed to enter in the patient body. So how this happens? Hemodialysis takes place, or we can perform the process of hemodialysis by the help of a machine known as dialyzer. See, what happens actually in the process? The artery and vein of the patient is punctured and connected to the dialyzer machine. Blood from the artery flows with pressure. You have heard, or I have taught you that the arterial pressure is about 120 mm of Hg, the systolic pressure actually. So there is a huge pressure in the artery. That's why the blood from the artery gets out of the vessel into the tube connected from the dialyzer machine. The arterial blood then enters into the machine, and the dialyzer portion of that machine actually extracts all the nitrogenous waste out of that blood. When the blood becomes pure after the removal of nitrogenous waste, then the blood is again passed into the patient's body via the puncture of the vein. So in this way, the blood is purified. The blood is taken out, subjected to the dialyzer machine where the purification takes place, and ultimately the pure blood is uh, sent back to the patient's body. So dialyzer is a machine which performs the function of artificial kidney. Okay, how it works actually? The solute concentration, or the chemical or solute concentration in the dialyzer machine, is maintained in such a way that it mimics that of the concentration of kidney, or that of the solute concentration of the kidney, which helps in osmosis. Okay, see, from the concentration pump, the solute are continuously maintained so that it retains or maintains the concentration of that of a kidney. Okay, so from one side, the dialyzer portion continuously gets the uh, solutes which are essential for the process of purification, and the waste solutes or the waste materials are then allowed to get out of the machine through the outlet pipe. In this way, the dialyzer machine works. I hope you have understood something about how dialysis occurs and what is its utility. Thank you very much for listening.